All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about some must-have tools from Snap-on. All right, so these are made by Snap-on. They come in really handy. Now this particular one is 12 millimeter. This is a 14, and this is a 10. Part numbers on them are PFSXM910B, 12B, and 14B. 10, 12, 14. Now what they are, a 14 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter on a swivel extension. So what that means is when you're doing a bunch of work, especially on Asian cars, 12, 14, you can take your Snap-on or your Milwaukee and you can go way in and get something way out of the way. I've had the 10 millimeter for several months and went ahead and had my dealer order me the 14 and the 12, and they are definitely well worth the money. They are not cheap, but they are very much worth the money. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you think I'm stupid for spending this much money on these tools, let me know in the comments. But if you work on Asian cars, trust me, you want these. And nobody else really makes these as good as Snap-on. So, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.